More developments in the October 6 fatal shooting of a man thought to be mentally challenged who stripped himself naked and tried to force his way onto the compound of the Bahia Principe Hotel staff quarters in St. Anne. The man was shot by a security guard at the facility after reportedly hurling a stone and knife. Family and friends of the deceased have been seeking answers about what happened to their loved one, whom they say had no mental issues. And now the results of a post-mortem is suggesting something illegal. TVJ's Krista Campbell has the details.
What caused 24-year-old Jermaine Planter to suddenly start acting so strangely that he stripped himself naked and was fatally shot trying to force his way onto the Bahia Principe Hotel staff quarters in St. Anne on October 6? Almost a month after the incident, which had family members upset and seeking justice, they finally have answers. Superintendent Gary Francis, who heads the St. Anne Police, says the result of a post-mortem are in.
It revealed that 40 pellets containing white substance resembling cocaine was found in his body, 38 of which were found in his stomach and 2 in his intestine, one of which was ruptured, which may have been responsible for the psychotic behavior described by the witness prior to his death.
Over a week after the incident, family and friends of the deceased who lived in Cockpit District, Clarendon, refuted suggestions that Jermaine Planter had mental issues. In fact, they said he was an up-and-coming entertainer with the stage name Fusion, and he had missed a flight to the U.S. hours before the deadly incident. The family had also questioned why the security guard in question shot a naked man, noting that from pictures they saw, Mr. Planter appeared to have been shot in the head and shoulder. Managing director of the security company to which the guard is employed, King Alarm John Azar, says while unfortunate, the shooting was justified based on the security company's use of force guidelines. In the meantime, now that a post-mortem result has given the clearest indication of what caused Mr. Planter's erratic behavior before and during the time he was fatally shot, what happens next?
The file has been handed over to the narcotic division to continue the investigations, and upon completion of investigation, the file will be submitted to the Director of Public Prosecution to determine ruling in the matter.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.